I am seeing mistakes on the week 5 attendance to sample space and tree diagrams, especially the one about sunny or not sunny for 3 days. This problem is very similar to one if I say we have a family that has 3 children, what are all the possible outcomes? So if you did that, we know it would be boy or girl, but you would have to do it for each child. So it would be something like boy, 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 girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, boy. And then we would have to go back through and do it now with 2 girls. So we could do boy, girl, 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 boy, girl, 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 boy. And then, of course, that last one would be girl, girl, girl. Remember that you can check that you have the correct number of outcomes by saying, okay, I have 2 outcomes and they're trying to have 3 children, and 2 to the third is 8. So you should have 8 outcomes. And if you check our set, that is what we have. So you can apply this to the sunny, not sunny for 3 days.